In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage in MetaTrader 5. Leverage is an important setting in your trading account because it directly affects how much market exposure you have relative to your actual balance. Higher leverage allows you to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital, but it also increases your risk. Lower leverage reduces that risk, but also limits the size of positions you can open. So before you make any changes, it's important to understand your own risk tolerance and trading style. Now, let's walk through how to view your current leverage inside MetaTrader 5, because that's the first thing you'll want to check. With MetaTrader 5 open on your computer, look toward the top of the screen and click on the menu called Tools. From there, select Options. A new window will pop up with several tabs across the top. Click on the tab labeled Trade. Inside this section, look for the area that refers to your account. Here, MetaTrader 5 will display your current account details, including the leverage that's currently set for your trading account. This is where you can confirm exactly what leverage you're using at the moment. There is also another way to view the same information. If you prefer, you can open the terminal window at the bottom of the platform. If it's not already visible, you can usually show it by clicking View at the top, then Terminal, or by using the shortcut assigned in your platform. Once the terminal is open, go to the Trade tab. Here you'll see your open trades and account information. Look for Account Details, which will show key information about your trading account, including your current leverage. It's important to note that while MetaTrader 5 lets you view your leverage, the actual change to your leverage is usually done through your broker's client portal or account management area, not directly inside the platform. So once you've checked your current leverage in MetaTrader 5, you would typically log into your broker's website, go to your account settings, and request a leverage change there. After your broker processes the update, you can return to MetaTrader 5 and use the same steps we just covered to confirm that the new leverage is now reflected in your account details. By following these steps and double checking your account information, you can be confident you know exactly what leverage you're trading with in MetaTrader 5.